Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
Logic ERP has an amazing feature in its software, that is Power Reports. It makes easier for users to generate reports of much data in less than a second. Now, let's see how this report works. Go to the Logic icon and click on Power Reports. Now, you can see report options in this section which are commonly used. Let us now see the sale register report overview in Power Report. With the help of second option Flat Report, user can view the report according to a particular toggle and can add summaries in the group and can also add filters in the report. To create the flat report, select the report configuration and then click on Flat Report. You can see here, the report is created within a second. You can also use the first option filter in the report. The third option is Excel Report. This option allows the user to view report in Excel format. You can also export this report. Just click on Save icon and enter the file name. Now you can see here the report has been exported successfully. The fourth option is Pivot Report. This option allows user to decide what fields they want to display in the report. Select the field from the field list. Now you can see here the pivot report have been created. Similarly, you can create many reports as you like. You can also take a printout of the report. Just click on the report option and then click on print option. You can create purchase and stock report just like we have created sale report.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.